Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove an item from Plex Watchlist. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Open your Plex application and also make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are signed in and you are inside the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. Now, click on the Watchlist tab from the menu. Tap on Watchlist at the bottom right and all of the TV shows and movies or any items that you've added on the watch list will be displayed. Select one of the contents you'd like to delete and press hold to it. In the bottom menu, you'll be able to see Remove from Watch List option. Tap on it in order to remove a particular item from the list. You can repeat this step for every other items you would like to delete from your watch list. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next video. Goodbye till then.